Welcome. I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Leslie, and we're from Unsellable Houses on HGTV.
We're here at the International Builders Show to show you some of Arizona Tile's top trending tiles for your bathroom space. I'm ready to show you at least 5 of them.
I mean, honestly, the bathroom is the best place to showcase your personality and style, and we have all the trends you don't want to miss out on.
We're excited to show you a sneak peek of Arizona Tile's trending tiles today.
Yeah, so in 2025, all of these are coming out. Make sure that if you see anything you like, you check in with the Arizona Tile team to find out when they come out and if they're available in your area, which I'm sure they are. So come with us and let's dive in.
One of the best ways to add depth to your bathroom is by adding a textured tile.
Yeah, texture's great. It catches the light, it creates this subtle movement, and it can even elevate a space to make it feel more high-end.
Whether you're going for a sleek modern look or you're going for just that depth and that interest, textured tile is a great place to start. The Flash Bar series is made in Spain. It's a ceramic tile and it comes in a glossy finish. The ivory and white will be available in a matte finish as well.
Yeah, the thing that we love about these is they're available in all 8 colors, including that beautiful blue, the pink, and all the naturals. They come in this 5x10 solid back, which makes it really easy for installing, and you can mix and match them, which is really great for individuality.
And they come in so many varieties of colors, just like our Flash series does. You can mix and match it with our Flash series to come up with that custom look you're going for. It's perfect for that feature wall or a vertical application, so get creative.
So now we're going to talk about the Curve series. So this is a glazed color porcelain. It's an 8x8 tile and it's a matte finish. I love the fun texture and it's so great for a unique design.
It absolutely is. It is a beautiful tile. Here at the show, we're showing 2 neutral colors.
Wait, Linz, we actually have these colors too coming soon.
So we have so many options in the colors, but the cool thing about this tile, it's made in Italy and it's great for walls, fireplaces, steam showers, even exterior cladding. The other thing I love about these tiles as a designer is there's multiple ways you can actually lay them. So right here you can see that they're laid in a scallop pattern, and that's a beautiful, beautiful modern look. But you can also flip the tiles and you can make a circle pattern out of them for something a little more classic. So options are endless, and like Leslie said,
Colors are coming.
a major trend we're seeing right now is the move towards seamless, low-maintenance designs, especially in the bathroom, where grout lines can be tricky to clean.
Yeah, that large format tile or porcelain slab helps achieve this sleek, high-end look while making upkeep a breeze.
Whether it's a seamless shower wall or a striking vanity countertop, these materials are perfect for creating a spa-like feel with minimal effort. Delaterra porcelain slabs are one of our favorites. There's no grout line.
I know, it makes it easy for maintenance and a seamless look.
They're perfect for bathroom walls, showers, countertops, or even fireplaces.
They have a UV resistance and frost-proof, so they're great for the outdoor spaces also.
There's over 30 colors and patterns available today.
We love using those 24x48 large format tiles.
They have fewer grout lines and they're perfect for that modern, sleek design that you're looking for.
Yeah, if you want to use it in the bathroom floors, bathroom showers, there's always an application that's perfect for that large tile.
Bathrooms are a great space to express yourself. People are getting bolder with color and shape.
Whether it's geometric tile, pops of color, or an unexpected layout, it's a great way to transform a space.
Great thing about this trend is it works in both big and small ways. Whether you are looking for a statement wall or just a little detail that makes a big impact.
So now we have the Trapeze series. This is a ceramic tile that was made in Italy. There's 7 beautiful colors, and you can create an eye-catching layout by mixing and matching those colors if you want.
It adds dynamic energy and dimension to bathroom walls. Perfect for commercial or residential vertical applications. Speaking of fun shapes, our Intense series here was made in Italy. There are 4 colors. They're all neutral colors. They're beautiful, but you have so many options to play around with the shapes. The shapes make for such an amazing opportunity to level up your design with a neutral color palette. So think about the opportunities you have here to actually mix around these different patterns together, all in a neutral color palette.
Yeah, and I love that they're really easy to install because we're on a mesh mount platform. I love that the trait texture is one of the features that's carried throughout all of the different textures. And they also offer in this series a 24 by 48 tile that has the full trait texture in it. So it's a great way to mix and match these different tiles and be able to play with it, again, adding that intensity.
Natural stone inspired materials bring an organic, timeless feel to any bathroom.
Whether you're looking for a marble, a terrazzo, a warm earthy tone, these designs offer that durability and the beauty of nature.
This trend is all about balancing luxury and practicality, giving you that high-end aesthetic without the upkeep. Welcome to our Verazzo series, made in Italy. It's an agglomerate look with a warm and cool tone mixed together here.
Yeah, the thing that's so great about this series is it's super durable because it's a porcelain tile, it's low maintenance, and it's great for high traffic areas. It's in a modern 24 by 24 size. It's great for steam showers, commercial areas, and really anywhere that you have that high traffic.
Our Fluida series is made in Italy and it's a stone-like porcelain. We have it in 5 gorgeous neutral tones and available in 7 sizes.
Yeah, one of those sizes is a 24 by 48 and it's an R11 anti-slip version. This is perfect for a shower floor or an exterior application. I love it for that cohesive floor-to-wall bathroom design. So, neutrals will never go out of style, but today's neutrals have a little more personality.
Whether it's a soft wood look plank, a subtle stone inspired tile, or a marble with fun shapes and textures, these options add warmth and sophistication without feeling too trendy.
They're the perfect foundation for any bathroom design, no matter your style. So now we're at the Evictus Crosscut series. It's a porcelain tile made in Italy. There's 3 finishes. You have the matte, the polish, and the R11 anti-slip finish.
There's 3 full-size tiles and a 2x2. This tile resembles a crosscut travertine, and it's a gorgeous organic aesthetic that works perfectly with any design. These 5 trends prove that tiles can be both functional and stylish.
Yeah, so whether you're looking for texture, bold shapes, natural stone look, or a timeless neutral, Arizona Tile has everything you would want.
Visit your nearest Arizona Tile to check out these beautiful materials in person.
I mean, honestly, we have them as well in our showroom, so come check out our showroom. And remember, don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.